This is exactly how to fix Windows Hello Face Recognition not working in your Windows 11. So firstly, what we need to do is to just go into settings on our computer here. So I'm just going to go into settings here, as you can see. I'm just going to make sure that it's focusing here so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So now click on your account here in the top left corner, scroll down and click on sign in options right here. And then where it says facial recognition, click on this one. And then we need to click on setup right here, as you can see. So click on setup. And you can see here, click on get started. And now we need to enter the PIN for our computer. So I'm just going to enter my PIN here. And then we will be taken to this page right here. So if you see this symbol right here, most likely you need to actually flip this little switcher here to right to be able to fix it. So you can see now it should work. And now you can see that it says all set up for me. So I had to just look straight into their frame basically for a couple of seconds still, and then it is now actually turned on for me. You can see here that it is now actually turned on for me, and I can use the hello sign in option again, thankfully. And so yeah, basically that is exactly how I myself was able to fix it.